Hi grade ones, it's Mrs. Watts here today. How are you? Today we're going to be working on subtraction, and I'm going to remind you how you use the number line and counters and drawing when doing subtraction. So first of all, I have my items here that we're going to start with. And I'm just going to put them out, and I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eggs. The first way I'm going to use it is the number line. What I do is I counted them out already. I individually counted them, so there's 9. I'm going to start circling the number I start at. And this time I'm going to take 3 eggs away. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do jumps for 3. And I'm going to go back that way because we're subtracting, so we're going down lower in numbers. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. And I circle the number I end at, which is 6. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. That is also the same way we do it on using counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to take 3 away. Let's take 4 away this time. So I have 4 over here. I wonder how many I have left. I'm going to write that out on my paper. So I had 9 minus 4. Now I'm going to count my remaining eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is what I have left. That's using counters. The last way we could do it is we could also draw it out. We started with 9, so let's draw out 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to just also write out the equation down below. And this time I'm going to take 2 eggs away. 1, 2. How many do we have left? I'm going to cross out those 2 on my counters, my drawn picture, and recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 left, so I put my number 7 down below. Remember, I put a dot in each time I counted these, so I know that I've counted that one and I haven't missed any. That's all for now. See you guys next time. Bye.